Hello everyone, this is Bilal, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to scrap booking.com website for your own plannings and stuff like that. Before we start this tutorial, I wanted to let you know that I have more than 3 years of experience in web scraping. I have skills in using Octoparse, Python scripts, and AI automation. So if you have any customs or workflows or scraping needs, you can contact me with the email shown on your screen. So now let's get started with the tutorial. Now, if we open up this booking.com, I have, for example, I put Dubai and two adults, and these are the dates. So this created a unique URL. Now you can see what I would do now is copy this. Okay, copy this, go to Octopass, click on new and click on custom task. Once that's done, I will paste in the URL that I copied and wait once the website is loaded. Now you will see that the website is loading. So now you can see it's loaded. Now guys, we don't need to do much thing, just we need to click on here auto detect web page data. What it will do, it will automatically detect, okay, that's the website layout. It's using load more button and infinite scrolling, and it will also extract the elements for us automatically. So now we will just wait. Okay, guys, you can see now that has been done, and we can see the columns that we are getting from this. Now we need some columns we don't need. Also, we will delete the columns that we do not need. So we need the pricing info, but we don't need this. We don't need this. Don't need this. We need this reviews. Okay, we need the star ratings. We don't need this. We need the. So we will just delete the columns. Now uh, image one. Okay, so now I think this is the column that we need right now. So what I will do is I will let this tick as well and let this tick as well. So I will just create workflow. Now on your right screen you can see the workflow has been created successfully. Now if I click on save and wait until the elements are loaded. So if I scroll down, you would see that click on pagination, click to paginate, it will be loading more button. If it's not, then I will click on pagination, click on this little picker drop picker item, click on it and click this load more buttons. Now it's creating the actual XPath for this load more button. So I click on apply, click on save, and now I will check if it's clicking on load more button. So what I'll do, click on pagination, click on click to paginate. So now you can see it's actually creating clicking on load more button properly. And if I click on loop item, you can see it's also picking up everything fine. Now I will just run the bot for you guys and you will see the results. So now I'll fast forward this a bit and then I will show you guys the end results. Okay, so as you can see guys, we have got the results that we need, and this is how you can scrap booking.com website. So if you have any more questions, please feel free to reach me out, and thank you for watching.